Hey you guys, what's up? So today we are going to continue our palette journey and we are going to be using the Violet Voss Essentials palette today. So if you want to know how I got this look, then just stay tuned. All right, so we're starting out with the shade Cinnamon. I'm applying that a little bit above my crease and blending that upwards. Sorry that most of this or all of this video is going to be a voiceover. My kids were really loud this day. And I just was like, you know what? I'm just going to do a voiceover. So now we're going in with Dusty Rose and I'm just blending that with Cinnamon. Now we're going to go in with Sand and just continue blending. And then we're going to finish that off with a little bit of cream, and I'm just applying that right below my brow on my brow bone area. Now we're going to go in with a mixture of cinnamon and black, and I'm just going to place this on my outer corner area and really deepen it up a bit. Now we're going in with the shade Pink, and this is probably one of my favorite colors in this palette. It's just really pretty. I'm placing that on the lid. And then we're going to go in with Gold, and I'm placing that right next to Pink. And then finishing up that lid area with Cream again. Okay, so now I'm taking a mixture of Hank & Henry's liquid lipsticks in the shade Prissy and Love You So Much, mixing those two together and applying them to my waterline area as well as lining my eye. I also underlined my brow using this same mixture, which you'll see in the final look. And then we're dipping back into the Violet Voss palette, taking the shades Cinnamon and Black again, and just kind of connecting them to my outer corner on my lower lash line area. I'm going in with these Bepalin lashes. These are from the Spooky Lash Time collection, the Halloween edition lashes, and I just picked a pair out and applied them. Now I'm going in with Persona Cosmetics lip liner in the shade 90210. This is a gorgeous lip liner. I'm so in love. And then we're going to take that same mixture of liquid lipsticks and apply those to the lip so it kind of ties everything together. And that is the final look. Thank you guys so much for watching. I hope you guys enjoyed this tutorial using the Violet Voss Essentials palette. Remember to live life in color. Please like the video if you liked it. Subscribe if you want to see more, and I'll be back with another video very soon. Bye, you guys.